What's up, guys? It's your girl Beachphoenix. Come on in and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you guys along with me. We're going to do a room tour of the 2-bedroom oceanfront villa in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Now, I do want to say this is a review in the perspective of an owner because this is my personal experience staying here compared to some of the other Westgate properties that I've stayed at before. But before we jump into this tour, y'all already know the deal. Go ahead and hit the like button. Thumbs up this video because it really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. We are still staying consistent with this March Madness content. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join the Phoenix fam, where you already know we do a little bit of everything and nothing all at the same time. All right, so first thing I have to talk about is the view. Okay, you cannot resist the views at this place. I absolutely loved them. They were honestly breathtaking, especially like early in the morning or late in the evening, sitting out on the balcony, you know, got your little wine, got your little sip, whatever you want. And then it's just also something about hearing the waves and just looking straight out into the water that just makes you really feel like you're on vacation. Now, for this stay, we were actually able to secure both the units 1502 A and B, which together creates the full 2-bedroom oceanfront villa. So this gave me and my family plenty of space, plenty of room to spread out, and it worked really well for my family. But I do want to just go ahead and dive into the pros and cons of this resort. Now, for the cons first, I'm just going to jump right into it. I honestly think that they assume that most people are going to spend most of their time at the beach. So there wasn't really a lot of amenities to look for here than the ones that I'm used to at different resorts with Westgate. Also, another thing is the parking garage setup was just really weird. I did not like that you were not able to park on the same level as your room. There's other resorts and hotels in Myrtle Beach that has it set up like this. So I don't know why Westgate with the infrastructure did not set it up like that. It just doesn't work out. And that really just makes it a pain when you're bringing in groceries. You got kids, you know, you're gonna be staying here long term. You got luggage. You can't park at the same level of your room. I didn't like that. But I also cannot forget about the pros and what I did like about this resort. Well, in the unit itself, the villa had everything that we needed. Washer, dryer, that's always a plus when you're here on a vacation for long term. You want to be able to wash your clothes for a few days. It had a full kitchen setup with a coffee pot. And I want to also say, y'all know that coffee pot is not going to be used, okay? Thanks to that one girl who went viral for showing what she does in hotel coffee pots. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, ever since I saw that video, I'm like, yeah, we're not using that. But it is there if you want it. Aside from that, though, the space was really comfortable. There was plenty of room for my family. It actually made us very much at home while we were staying there. Another thing I loved was that this 2-bedroom villa was, well, it actually had 3 balconies. So yes, it had 3 balconies. You got one in one room, one in the living room, and one in the other room. So you have multiple spots where you can just step outside, relax, get some fresh air, and of course, enjoy the ocean views, that beautiful ocean views, the sound, the waves, all of that good stuff. Having the multiple balconies was definitely probably one of my favorite parts of the entire stay because I think I stayed on the balcony, I'm going to say maybe 75, 80% of the time. But overall, I would definitely stay here again. Being an owner, I have my ties to Myrtle Beach as well. I'm an owner with Westgate. And this location still really works well for me. It might not have all the extra bells and whistles that I'm used to with some of the other resorts, but the view, the space, the comfort, it really made my stay enjoyable. So I would stay here again, but I do want to hear from you guys. All right. So have you ever stayed at this resort before? Do you like it? Would you stay here based on the views alone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And also, if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Come on over, join the Phoenix fam, because like I always say, y'all know we do a little bit of everything and nothing over here. All right. So I'm going to catch y'all later in the comments. Beach Phoenix signing out.